Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money using Zelle through Chase Bank. Stay until the end to make sure you do it correctly. Alright, once we've opened the Chase Bank app, we'll see this menu. Of course, it will display your account numbers, but I've blurred them out. At the bottom of the screen, we're currently in the Accounts section, but what we need is the Pay and Transfer option. Let's go to that option, and there we'll see an option that says Send Money with Zelle. Tap on Send Money with Zelle, and once inside, you'll see several contacts to whom you can send money. You can use those contacts, or if not, scan a payment code from someone with Zelle. You can also search for the person using the search bar. If you can't find them, to the right of the search bar, there's a button that says Add, and you can click that to add a new contact. In my case, I'm selecting this person. Now, you can enter the amount of money you want to send, add a memo, the note, select Pay From to choose your account, and select Send to choose when you want to send the money, if you have a specific date in mind. Once everything is set, click Review to check the details, and it will open another screen showing all the information. If everything looks good, confirm and click Send It Now. And that's it. The money will be sent through Zelle from Chase Bank.